Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A13 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically you have to enter the recents in order to check the previously opened apps, and you can do it using two different ways depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set. So if you've got the gestures, just like me, you have to swipe your finger up gently and hold it somewhere here right in the center. And if you've got the three buttons navigation, then simply find the button with three bars icon and tap on it. So let me enter the recents. As I said, swipe finger and hold it here, and as you can see here I've got all previously opened apps. So if you want to, you can close one of it or two of them, just swipe it up like that. But if you've got a lot of apps opened and you do not have time or patience to turn them off manually, just tap on close all. And as you can see, we just got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents again. And here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So actually this is it. This is how to close running apps in your Samsung Galaxy A13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.